We haven't been able to cut in 3 days. So we're gonna take the truck up, get it filled, get the dryer fired back up, start drying down some of this corn, and see if we can keep moving and get 2019 wrapped up. Now we'll get the tarp off. He got the bin full. And we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, we'll get a truckload with no trouble. Alright, well, he had to take off. We're going to turn the heat up. I'm going to put a bin load on the front and hope that I can pull back out. I don't think I should even back in. My guess is that snow is packed down and it's ice and I won't even get out. And then I'll just leave the truck parked on the road, I guess. It's a fairly quiet road, so. That buzzer is telling you your unload auger is on. So that way, if you're unloading on the go, you don't leave it on and just run it all over the ground. The older combines did not have that feature, so when the grain cart come up next to you and you fold it in, you had to make sure you shut your auger off, otherwise it'd go all over the ground. So that's all that is doing, is just telling us the unload auger is on. So we don't have our grain cart up here, and now that they put salt all over the roads, we're not going to bring it up here. We can have the truck full in 4 dumps. It's handy to have, but my guess is we don't end up bringing it up here. So we can get a truckload down to that dryer when the weather doesn't stop us, faster than the dryer can dry anyway, so it's not like we're in a hurry to keep the dryer fed. these outside rows off. It looks pretty good. There's not much snow hanging on, like you said, so hopefully it doesn't make it any worse on the inside. But we'll get this bin load full, we'll get out and check it. Being that this is the furthest farm from our bins, I'm going to make sure the truck is good and full. Unload just stopped. Bin is just about empty, but I guess we'll get out, see what the problem is. Check the inside of the machine too. That shear bolt broke again. Well, I don't know if I have another one. It looks like we're not adding too much more to the mess, but I don't think we want to get into any more snow, or it really needs to warm up. Problem is, this stuff here is now going to be a cakey mess that we'll have to scrape out. That won't just melt out and blow out. So there's some cleaning that'll need to be done there. Well, I'm not sure if this is them, but they were in the machine here behind the buddy seat. So if they're long enough, I've got two of them. So I'll check and see if that's long enough, and we'll go ahead and run them. That's what I put in there to make sure that it didn't shear. I don't know why it sheared, it emptied out. I found a drill bit, but we'll go ahead and put this bolt in. Alright, I got the shear bolt in. So again, having to find one, but I'm gonna have to remember to get some. I don't understand why it breaks them. The bin was pretty much empty and turned by hand, so I'm not sure if it fell out. I thought I had it tightened up good, but we got another one in there. Hopefully it's tightened up enough to get us a truckload. From this here, you can't hardly see in the camera lens, I guess, but it looks pretty good. Along the woods over there, there were a few more blobs of snow on. I don't see any coming. Which can't with that red ball in the way. I think over here the wind blows a little bit more, and it was knocking a lot of it off along the woods over there, because it's right along. This is only the second pass in, so now that is a truckload. I don't think I can squeeze any more on there. I got her full from front to back. I'm lucky I got the bin on the combine empty. Apparently, I'm just glad I got it all in, because it's supposed to snow or rain. So we got it.